Hey everyone, Dan with True North Motos. Today we're going to go over a new kit that's on the website. This is for 2024 plus EXC-Fs and FE-S bikes. We're also going to address the XWF and the FEW, but first we'll go over the components for the EXCs and FE-S bikes. So this is an LED turn signal kit for the new bikes that will work with the canvas system. Right now we have the all-in-one taillight and the fork wrap blinkers and the spacers for the all-in-one taillight. This is the main piece of the kit for the EXC bikes. And because you can't change the speed of the blinkers with a flasher relay like you used to because it's built into canvas, this is the new front harness with the correct resistor built into it that will replace the front harness that's on the bike that will allow you to run LED turn signals. It does come with a pre-wired in LED indicator bulb as well. So we'll show you how to install that on the bike, and then we'll jump back over here and go over the FEW and the XWF kits. So you're going to pop your headlight mask off, 2 screws on the top, 8mm, pop those off, move your headlight mask out of the way. This bike already has it on there, so I'm going to grab a quick screwdriver and show you how to unpin this connector. So little flat head like this, and if you look back here, this black connector, there's going to be a white one. I think the factory connector is actually white right here. It's going to be the 4-position connector. This other one is a 2, so you want to undo the 4 position. And back in here, there's a little tab, which is hard to see, right there. So if you lift that up, and then you can pull your stock harness out of there. Then you'll pull the indicator socket. It's going to be on this side. This bike has a moto-minded dash on it. You'll pull this bulb out, you'll disconnect your turn signals, and you'll unplug this 3-position wire from your switch. Then you're going to put your new harness in, clip that in, get your resistor nice and zip tied back here. It's got flex right here to wrap around, like you can see on this one. And then you're going to plug everything in. So basically, pull this one out, slide the new bulb in, plug your switch in, plug your turn signals in. Super simple, plug and play and quick. Use some ACP 50 or some dielectric grease. If you're using ACP 50, you can do it on all the connectors. If you're using dielectric grease, just do it on the unsealed connectors. That's all you're going to do on the back and the front, or excuse me, that's all you're going to do on the front and the back. If you're doing an all-in-one taillight, you'll mount it with the spacers. This is a modular fender, so the bottom part will all drop out, and you can take that spot off and then bolt this back up, mount your light, route your wires in, and you're just going to plug your taillight in here and in here. And you just use dielectric grease or that ACP 50 just to keep corrosion out of these unsealed terminals. So that's all it is to install on the EXC, and then you're ready to run LEDs. This will work with mini stocks, whatever other signals that you want to run for LEDs on these bikes, hand shields, all that kind of stuff. So that's the EXC kit and the FES kit. The change on the FEW kit, which there's another install video, is this new front harness. That's going to slow the canvas system down because an FEW and an XWF have a built-in turn signal harness. They just don't have the other components. So you would be getting all this, your choice of LED turn signals or whatever you wanted to use. In addition, on the FEW kit, you're going to either get 1 or 2 brake pressure switches. There's plugs for those on the bikes, referenced in the other video. You'll be getting a switch of your choice. This is the billet moto-minded T&M kind of collaboration switch, and you'll be getting a horn. So that's the overview of the kit and how it goes on the EXC, and then the new components for the FEW. So check out the other build video on YouTube if you're installing this on an FEW or an XWF. Awesome. Thanks for checking out, guys.